Hello everyone, Dominic Dowd here with a tutorial. So if you want to rickroll your friends, but you don't have any ideas how to, well, this is how. They have to have minutes. The person that you're doing it to, and you have to call this number to do it. 248-434-5508. I'll explain it again. 248-434-5508. And this is what happens if you call it. Yeah, that's what happens. So if you want to rickroll your friends and you don't have any way to, just do that as long as they have minutes. And I'm outie here.